original Sunday fighters were the brainchild of Ken Willard back in the early 1970s. This is the third in our Sunday Fighter biplane series, with this version having a lot of the full-scale Curtis Jenny look in it. So we call this one the Barnstormer. As with every old-school Model Works kit, our Barnstormer Sunday Fighter is a build-it-yourself airframe, designed and laser-cut from high-quality balsa wood and light ply. Included are unique, simplified building features as well as laser-cut precision and self-aligning parts to make building this beauty easy. For example, our exclusive web lock construction makes building the wing panels a snap. Rather than the sheer webs being an afterthought, they are utilized during the build to properly space, position, and lock in each rib. The fuselage is built around a self-aligning lightweight box for added strength and twist resistance. We've also added a magnetic top hatch, so you have quick access to either your fuel tank or batteries. All the flying you'll see here and in any of our OSMW demo flights, there is no stabilization of any kind, just manual control. Nothing wrong with stabilization, but we choose not to use it in our prototypes so you can see exactly how our models handle. I'm going to step aside and allow you to enjoy the remaining portion of the demo flight. Oh, and if you're wondering where we got the pilot figure, well, he's called Psycho Pete and is part of our Cranky Cockpit Club. We have 30-plus pilot figures, available in 1/8 to 1/3 scale and in a wide variety of styles. You can find all the pilots on our website. For more information, visit our website at oldschoolmodels.com.